Yabo mfethu, mawulalela i-content yami mina. Uyinto serious kakhulu empilweni. Serious. And I'm serious as I'm saying this. Because mina ngilalela uNombani. Something needs to shift in your mind ukuze ukwazi ungilalela ungizwe ukuthi ngithini. Yayizwa lonto. That is the first thing. Secondly, mina ngikhulumi ngemfeketho. Angihlekisi la. I'm not stimulating your mind. I'm telling you the fact, the truth. And I want you to be conscious and aware of the reality. Yabo, I'm raising your consciousness. I am enhancing, I am expanding your consciousness. Into engiyikhuluma. So, umuntu serious kabi, umuntu owazi ukuthi avume ukulalela into emchallengeayo, into that is already known, widely known and accepted by many. Yabo. Okunye futhi okubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi content engiyenzayo mina la ayibi less than 9 minutes, yabo. Ayibi less than 9 minutes. Ukuthi it's a semi long form content, yabo. It's not a short form content because there is something dangerous about the short form. Ubone ngisho umuntu nje uhlele eceleni kwakhe uya scroll. There's something terrible in your brain happening. But ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Kahle hle vele into ebengifuna ukuyiqonda kahle ngaphezulu kwalokho ukuthi ithini umongo ne gist of the content that I produce, that I give to you. I want to talk about structure sayo ukuthi it's a long form content rather than a short form, because even all live bam they are 1 hour, 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours, yabo. And people they take their time and listen and watch, yabo. And loco, it takes something from you. So uma umuntu ohlezi a consumer short form content esikhathi esiningi, there is an injustice that you are doing to yourself. You are handicapping your mind. You are handicapping your brain, rather. You are handicapping your efficacy of your brain to be able to make long-term decisions. So while we are overstimulated, your dopamine hit spikes. You are overstimulated. You can't take long-term decisions. You always want an instant gratification. You see, you are being disturbed by the short form content. Your brain waves spike so much. You are always on a higher brain waves. Yabo, awuhlaliseki engqondweni yakho, ayilibi khona uzinza, ayibi khona iharmony. It's like a fireworks in your head. You are jumping from this content to this content, from this to this, because you can't sit still, because your brain waves are too high. That is the danger of the short form content. Not to say don't watch the short form content, but I'm telling you what the truth of what is happening. Why when you can't stick to something for a long period of time? It's like, hey, the mood can get to the point. I wanna go. That is why abanye ngeze ngibapakisa ukuthi nawe lalela ungangifaka enkingeni zakho mina. If when we are in a rush, I'm not in a rush, man. You see, for me to get to the point, I can try as much as I can. That's not my problem, that you are overstimulated. That is the injustice that one is doing to him or herself. Again, when we talk about the short form content, like I said, uba nenkinga kuma long term decisions. Concentration ke manje, it shortens your concentration span. Yabo, the concentration span. It's very dangerous if you are a child that is having this social media thing and you immerse yourself into a short form content. because your concentration span will be shortened. There's something that you are doing into your brain that is not in your favor. Awusakwazi ukuconcentrate uhlale nje ulalele nje. So mina I will advise ukuthi ke maybe take your time to immerse yourself into the semi to the long content form more often. You can go to the short form content just to stimulate your mind after maybe a long form content of some valuable insights. Then you take your time to watch that short form content and laugh. You see, you are stimulating your mind. But why people are constantly stimulating their minds, they are not like reading any books, they are not watching any useful podcast. They want something that will stimulate them, and all of those things. They're overly stimulated. If lento short form content ikubulala to the point ukuthi awukwazi umqondo wakho uyayibaleka lento ekuthiwa i-challenge ngaso sonke isikhathi. Awukwazi ukusolve ama-problems, you run away from the problems. Because your mind is not used to challenge. Because if you challenge your mind develops the muscle, like your physical muscle. It needs to be challenged. You watch the content that wants you to be like critical. Do yourself a favor. Don't be overstimulated. Reset your dopamine baseline. Because the problem with the dopamine is that you employ from other sources or from other spheres of your life just to feel stimulated. So that is why sometimes one can just be addicted to something. That's how the addiction starts. Okay, well, kule calendar yeke esikuyona njengamanje ngicela wazi ukuthi ke those members, channel members esinawo kwa YouTube, we are going to have the sessions, live sessions, where we are going to do the spiritual practices like chakra balancing, the mudra and the mantras, the asanas, the pranayama, and we're gonna infuse the meditation later on, and then I attend to the questions and clarities, because people, if they do these things alone, they face a lot of challenges, and then sometimes they give up, and their mind tells them that I know this thing maybe is not for you, maybe I'm not doing it right, all kinds of things, and they have no one to ask. Like, you'll have the direct contact like with me, ngoba sobe siyenza lento soba nesikhathi stipulated ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi mhlambe for an hour we do these practices. Kuzobe kuama members only that will able to get in. Angikucacise lokho, because we do have the free content. We do have the free content, and so that privilege will be for members as well, because it's something on its own, So nawo kama members futhi kuona akuona nje ukuthi kuzoba uzongena noma inini mawuthanda, bamele uqale kanye nathi. Ngeke ukwazi usijoyina sese kwi heart chakra when mouse usijoyina late, usijoyina usuqala kwi heart chakra yaphezulu, because ama chakras ufuna uqale phansi unyuke nawo yaphezulu. So that is why kuzoba very strict ukuthi mase usu late siqalile, I give you allowance ka maybe 5 minutes. If you are not in within that 5 minutes kulo live loyo, then ngeke usakwazi ukungena, usuzongena the following day kanye nathi. Ezinye zezinto ongayilindela lezo ama badges, mawu member ubheke eceleni kwegama lakho, there is a badge. You still gonna see that uma sesenza all live, because we still gonna have more live sessions with YouTube. There are badges magameni eceleni kwegama lakho. They also you are going to have access to ama stickers athile that are only peculiar. The way they are going to be packs and products that are only peculiar to you as a member, as a channel member, you see. So that is how things are going to work for members. They've been there for a longest period of time, guys, so it makes sense to honor and appreciate them as much as I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for your time.